Hello and good morning, dears. I hope you all are doing good. Today is 29th April and we have many important topic today. So, without wasting time, let's begin. The first we will discuss the Hindu vocabulary, and these are the words which we are going to discuss in the Hindu editorial. The first word we have rule out, and the synonyms are prevent, prohibited, proscribed, reject, and denied. The second we have migrant, and the synonyms are immigrant, nomadic, roving, transit, and wanderer. The next we have scrap, and the synonyms are dispute, fight, fragment, junk, particle, and piece. The last evidence, and the synonyms are proof, declaration, and illustration. So note it down for the future, and let's check previous quiz answer. The first question we had, which country doesn't share boundary with North Korea, and the answer is Japan. The second we have, CBSE was founded on 1962, and the third we had synonyms of vigilant, that is alert, and the fourth, the antonym of detract is reason. The next we have question number 5, the present chairperson of CBSE, and that is Anita Karwal. The sixth question is Niti Aayog was founded in 1st January 2015 in Kolkata. The seventh question we had leader and capital of North Korea, and that is Kim Jong-un, and the capital is Pyongyang. The last question we had headquarter of RBI, and that is in Mumbai. So now let's begin with the headlines. In a single day, 19 deaths reported in Gujarat. This is the present situation of India. Over 30,000 confirmed cases are reported, and the total deaths is 946. Talking about all over the world, 28 lakh people are infected from this pandemic, and including around 2 lakh deaths. The Delhi government has allowed veterinary services and self-employed individuals such as electricians, plumbers, and water purification repairmen to work from today. Bihar BJP chief Mr. Sanjay Jaiswal has criticized the employer states, especially in western India, that they are failed to keep the migrant labor in good condition. If they are not good, they may lead the fourth lockdown. Sanjay Jaiswal also suggested that we need an uniform policy for the return of migrant laborers and the students to their states. Talking about Bihar, the capital is Patna, the CM is Mr. Nitish Kumar, and Governor is Mr. Fagu Chauhan. Let's check Bihar in the map. Here you can see Bihar. Bihar share its border with Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, and West Bengal. Bihar also share its border with a country, and that is Nepal. According to Health Ministry, there is no experimental evidence that plasma therapy is yet to support that can be used as treatment for COVID-19. So, to understand this plasma therapy, we need to take an example. Suppose A is a person which is infected from COVID-19. After the treatment, he gets well. Then his body started to create anti-drugs or antidote. This antidote is injected to other infected person. This whole process is called plasma therapy. US President Mr. Donald Trump has ruled out making changes in date of presidential election, which was conducted on November 3rd in 2020 because of this coronavirus pandemic. Let's know about USA election. In every 4 years, presidential election is conducted, and the USA is the oldest democracy in the world, and India is the biggest democracy in the world. So talking about USA, the capital of USA is Washington DC. The currency is US dollar and the president, as we know, Mr. Donald Trump. Let's check USA in the map. Here you can see USA and compared to India, you can see it. Let's zoom out to see it clearly. Now you can see USA. USA share its border with Canada and Mexico. The International Olympic Committee and the Japanese government postponed the Olympic game last month until July 2021 because of the impact of coronavirus. The president Yoshiro Mori said that the Olympic game already postponed and it will be dismissed if it is not takes place. Now let's check one-liner. The important day. The World Veterinary Day is observed on 28th April. National news. The first government hospital in the country that successfully launched the plasma therapy treatment for COVID-19 patient, and that is King George Medical University in Uttar Pradesh. The next we have general knowledge. The World Organization for Animal Health is founded on 25th January 1924 and the headquarters is in Paris, that means France. International Cricket Council was formed in 1909. The headquarters is in Dubai, that means UAE. And now the states of Madhya Pradesh founded on 1st November in 1956 and the capital is Bhopal. Indian Overseas Bank was founded on 10 February 1937 and the headquarters is in Chennai. Now it's quiz time. The first question you have to answer: which state share boundary with Bihar? The second, duration of USA presidential election. The third we have synonyms of rule out, and four is antonym of scrap, and also we have the fifth question you have to answer. World Veterinary Day is observed on the 6th. Indian Overseas Bank was founded in. Seventh is CM and Governor of Bihar. The last we have headquarter of ICC. You can see options are not given so that you can keep the answer in your mind for long time. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you.